Hello, here we are with our first role play. This part will be divided in several steps, so to make you communicate a little bit. Let's see first of all the dialogue. Ciao, come ti chiami? Ciao, mi chiamo Giovanni. E tu? Piacere, io sono Marta. Piacere mio. Here we can focus on a few details. First of all, to ask, what's your name? Come ti chiami? The answers can be mi chiamo plus your name, io sono, I am plus the name. To ask what about you, we have the question e tu? And to say nice to meet you, we can say piacere or piacere mio. There's also piacere di conoscerti, but then we will see it in another dialogue. Now, it's your turn. First of all, we will have the same dialogue, but with some missing words that you need to fill in. So let's see. Ciao, come ti chiami? Ciao, mi chiamo. E tu? Here you can add your name or whatever you prefer. Like you can also pretend to be Giovanni. Piacere, io sono Marta. Now let's go to the step number 2. We will substitute Marta's words. You don't need to call yourself Marta. You can use your name. The important thing is to fill it in the right way, so with the name or with the right question. Ciao. Ciao, mi chiamo Giovanni. E tu? Piacere io. Piacere mio. Let's go to the step number 3. Here we will have some missing part and you need to answer to the questions or just in general complete the dialogue. Let's see. Ciao, come ti chiami? Piacere, io sono Marta. Let's see the last step. Now we need the opposite. So before you substituted the part of Giovanni, now you will substitute the part of Marta. Ciao, mi chiamo Giovanni. E tu? Piacere mio. So, I hope this kind of exercise has been useful for you. What you can do is try to go back, look at it again, try to repeat as many times as you can to remember the main sentences that you need to use. And it may be very, very useful, this kind of exercise, to practice your speaking. So, in case you're scared, you can start practicing it in this way, looking at the examples and substituting words step by step. In that way, your speaking will improve a lot. So, in case you find it useful, I can try to make more videos like role play, and also we can try to find another way to organize them. So let me know what you think about it.